Hey guys, it's Meg. I am back again with another choose your own recipe adventure. Today's recipe, this DIY microwave kettle corn, is a variation of my brown bag microwave popcorn, and it is incredible. Free of refined sugars, like how does that happen with kettle corn? Maple sugar and coconut oil. So good. So the ingredients for this one are really simple. You're gonna need a 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels. You're gonna need a teaspoon of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of maple sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of fine grained salt, and 1 teaspoon of butter. All you're gonna do is open up a brown paper bag like you would use to pack a school luncheon. And then you're gonna add in your 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels, your teaspoon of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of maple sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of fine grained salt, and 1 teaspoon of butter. You can just kind of eyeball that last one. Once it's all in there, you just want to fold down the top of the bag twice and give it a really good shake. You want to cover every kernel in that bag in the coconut oil and maple sugar. That's what makes them so delicious. From there, pop it in the microwave, close the door, and set your time for 1 minute, 30 seconds on high. Any higher than that, any longer of a cook time than that, you risk burning the maple sugar. So just keep it about 130 on this bag of popcorn. When it's ready, your microwave beeps, take out the bag, give it another really good shake, and then you want to flip the bag down on the counter. Basically what that does is it allows all of the sugar that melted and is on the bottom of the bag in the microwave to flip over and drizzle down over your popcorn kernels right before they go into your bowl. It creates this super crispy little sugary coating on the popcorn kernels that is irresistible. That's it. I hope you really enjoyed this sweet version of popcorn. If you're looking for a savory treat, I have this sassy pepe popcorn recipe right here. It's quite possibly my favorite flavor, so you should totally check it out. That's it. Go pop some popcorn. What are you waiting for?